Bats are incredible nighttime navigators, using a special skill called echolocation to find their way in the dark. These amazing creatures send out high-frequency sounds that bounce back, telling them exactly where objects are. Beyond their navigation skills, bats play a crucial ecological role by controlling insect populations and pollinating plants. Surprisingly, they help in growing fruits like bananas and mangoes. Let's appreciate these unassuming heroes of the night for their unique contributions to nature's balance and diversity.